I'm Derek Dice. I'm the Director of Ride and Electrical Maintenance here at Cedar Point. The off-season is really, it's one of our busiest times of the year for us. That day the park closes, the very next day we are out there getting everything ready to come apart. We are taking all the cars from the trains to all the flat rides and everything. We're taking that all apart, all off, getting it all ready to come into our shops for a winter overhaul. When we bring the coaster cars in, the first thing that goes into is disassembly, where we will disassemble it down to every nut, bolt, shaft, wheel, bearing, chassis, and then we'll go through a cleaning process. And that cleaning process to get all the dirt and the bugs and everything out of the way and all the old grease in order for us to do a thorough inspection of everything that is on the coaster train. Once we've gone through that, then it goes through the assembly process where we have certain requirements to replace different parts. We will put fresh wheels, fresh bearings, fresh grease, and reassemble everything back to the lap bars and the upholstery. We'll send things through the paint shop to get a nice fresh look as well, to get it all ready to put back together. It's almost brand new condition at the beginning of the season for our guests to enjoy.